To ensure you can seamlessly link your Dave & Buster's card to your Apple Wallet in 2024, follow these straightforward steps. Begin by downloading the Dave & Buster's mobile app from the App Store if you haven't already done so. Next, sign into your account within the app. Within the app, navigate to your Power Card information, typically found in sections like My Power Cards. Look for an option within the app to add your Power Card to Apple Wallet. This option may be labeled as Add to Wallet or something similar. Once you've selected this option, follow the prompts provided by the app. You may need to confirm your identity or agree to certain terms and conditions. Make sure that the information displayed in Apple Wallet matches your Power Card details accurately. Once your Power Card is successfully added to Apple Wallet, you can access it by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Your Power Card will then be available for use at Dave & Buster's locations where Apple Pay is accepted. That's all there is to it. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay updated for my next video.